Want to burn fat throughout the day without extreme workouts or starving diets? It all starts with your morning habits. In today's video, I'll share 5 simple things you can do every morning to fire up your metabolism and start melting that fat. Let's get into it. Start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon. It rehydrates your body, flushes out toxins, and kickstarts your digestive system. Add a slice of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon for extra fat-burning benefits. Step outside and soak in the morning sunlight for 10-15 minutes. Sunlight helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm and boosts vitamin D, which is linked to better fat metabolism. Do a short workout, like a brisk walk, yoga, or 10-minute hayat. Morning exercise increases your metabolism, keeps you energized, and helps your body continue burning calories all day. Don't skip breakfast. Instead, fuel up with high-protein foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or oats with nuts. Protein keeps you full longer and supports muscle building, which helps burn more fat. Take 5 minutes to breathe deeply or meditate. Reducing stress lowers cortisol levels, a hormone linked to belly fat. These tiny habits take just a few minutes but can make a big difference in your fat loss journey. Start with 1 or 2 tomorrow morning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple wellness tips.